We visited Michael and Dot in Mount Evelyn, who recently completed their second installation with APS Double Glazing using Kommerling uPVC systems. Here's what they had to say.
We were very happy with the work that they did in the first place. So they were on time, just the professionalism in their installation, and we were very satisfied with the work. No, we had timber previously, cedar, and I guess with the timber there's a lot of maintenance involved, though we hadn't done much.
No, we didn't.
But we went with APS because they could do the size of the window that we wanted.
Well, definitely light, a lot of light. And we think they're warmer.
And I think noise levels from outside, we used to hear the road noise. We don't hear it as much now.
Yeah. And we've noticed that more of the house is now warm. Oh, very. They showed us the locking system. It locks in 3 or 4 places. So I don't think you're going to kick that door in very easily.
Well, we previously did hear road noise because that becomes like a car park. In afternoons
and
school pickup and morning.
Yeah.
And weekends, it's very busy, especially you get a lot of motorcycle groups going up and you really hear them. But since the introduction of this end, the volume has been marginally, it's much reduced.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Oh yes. Absolutely. You can feel the seal on the front door. When you open the front door, you can actually feel it sort of, well, I don't want to say give, but you can feel that the seal is being broken, I guess.
Well, I guess our previous sliding doors, even though they were closed and locked in position, you had a small gap.
We did.
And you could feel the cold air coming through, whereas these are recessed into an area that it's a airtight seal.
Oh, I definitely would recommend them because I think they do an excellent job. Very pleased with the finish, very pleased with and they were prepared to go this extra bit because this window was not an easy job and they were prepared to tackle it, which is terrific. And I think they did a good job and I would definitely recommend them.
So sort of dealing with them all the time was, we didn't have any problems in dealing with any of their staff, and their tradespeople were excellent.
So, they're very helpful all the way round. And they were very good when we went into the showroom. I would recommend them.